Welcome to my channel. How to connect Google Home to Wi-Fi. Step 1. Plug in your Google Home, connect your Google Home speaker to a power outlet and wait for it to power up. Step 2. Download the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Install the Google Home app from the Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iOS. Step 3. Open the Google Home app, launch the app and sign in with your Google account to begin the setup process. Step 4. Tap on the icon in the top left corner, tap the Add button, then select Setup Device and choose New Device. Step 5. Choose your home, select or create a home location where your Google Home device will be used. Step 6. Find your Google Home device. The app will scan for nearby Google Home devices. Select your device from the list. Step 7. Connect to Wi-Fi. The app will prompt you to select your home Wi-Fi network. Choose the correct Wi-Fi name, SSID, and enter the password. Step 8. Wait for connection. Google Home will take a few moments to connect to the network and confirm the connection. Step 9. Finish setup test. Follow any additional on-screen prompts for voice matching, location, and preferences, then say "Hey Google" to test the connection. Step 10. Enjoy your smart assistant. Your Google Home is now connected to Wi-Fi and ready to respond to voice commands. Thanks for watching.